Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to share with you this highly profitable trading strategy using these two powerful indicators to help you stay profitable trading the financial market. To help us in creating content like this, please click the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload new videos. Now, let's get started. In this strategy, just like we mentioned in the intro, we are going to use two indicators. Now you have to go to this Indicators tab. The first indicator is the RSI Trend. Just type it in this search bar and click on this one. The second indicator is the Super Trend. Just type it in and click on this one as well. Now for the settings. Go to Super Trend setting and reduce this factor from 3 to 2.5 and leave other setting to their default and click OK. Then go to the RSI Trend setting and change this RSI second length from 28 to 14. Go to the Style section and uncheck this bar color and click OK. Now let's explain this indicators before we move to the strategy section. Let's start with the RSI Trend indicator. This indicator is a modified RSI with a combination of the whole moving average. It is designed to give an early trade entry signal and trend change as well. Now, the indicator still has the RSI oversold and overbought price levels. This indicator works pretty well with Heikin Ashi. So go to this tab and change this candlestick chart to Heikin Ashi. Now, the idea behind this indicator is that when the price is at the overbought region and you get this red arrow, it shows an early sign of bearish trend reversal. Then you will take a trade entry short. And when the price enters oversold and you get this yellow arrow, it shows an early sign of a bullish trend reversal. Then you will take a trade entry long. For example, here on the chart, you can see that the price was in this oversold region before you get this yellow arrow and the price reversed. You could have entered a long trade here. Then when the price reached this overbought region, you had these two bearish candles that formed, which shows trend exhaustion, and this red arrow appeared. Then you will take short trade like this and set your stop loss here and extend your profit target according to your risk to reward ratio. Let's show this again. Here on the chart, the price was also in the oversold region and it tried reversing before this arrow appeared because of the bullish candles forming. Then you could have entered long trade here, and the price went all the way up, almost to the 100 mark of the RSI trend. And the red arrow appeared with the bearish candle formation. Then you could have entered another short trade here and set your stop loss very close like this because the price has reached its maximum level. Now, here is a very key point. You only take trade entries when these arrow appears at the overbought and the oversold region or when it appears above or below this 50 line of the RSI trend. Otherwise, you will regard it as a false signal. Now, let's explain the second indicator. Super Trend is another important indicator that is designed to give both trade entry signal and trend direction. When this ATR bands turns from red to green, you will only be looking for buying opportunities, and when it turns from green to red, you will only be looking for selling opportunity. The ATR bands plays an important role in Super Trend because it shows the degree of price volatility. When this green ATR band starts to move away from the price, it shows the exhaustion of the price in the upward direction. And when the red band is moving closer to the price in a downtrend, it shows the exhaustion of the price in that direction. In this strategy, we are going to use the Super Trend to confirm trade entry signals from the RSI trend. Now, let's show this with example. Here on the chart, the price was trending downwards before it reached this point, and this yellow arrow appeared. Then you could have waited for the Super Trend band to change from red to green, and you will take a long trade like this. The price entered overbought, and when it reached this point, you got this red arrow, and when the Super Trend band changed from green to red, you will take a short trade entry like this and set your stop loss at the top of this band and extend your profit target according to your risk to reward ratio. If you press the replay button, you can see that the price reached our profit target. In this way, making this trade a high-quality trade entry. Let's show this again. Here on the chart, you can see that the price was trending downwards and the RSI trend entered oversold. Notice how the super trend was shrinking before the price reached this point, giving you an early sign that the sellers are losing control of the market, and the RSI yellow arrow appeared, and the super trend band changed from red to green. Then you will take a trade entry long and set your stop loss below the band and extend your profit target to the risk to reward ratio of 1.6. If you press the replay button, you can see that the price reached our profit target. Now, this strategy and indicator can be used on crypto trading, currencies, futures, or even stock markets, and also on weekly, daily, and hourly charts as well, but generally, super trend sometimes fails in a sideways moving market. Please click the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.